The amber liquid swirls, promising solace. It whispers of relaxation, of escape from the day's burdens. You crave sleep, that elusive embrace. A nightcap seems the perfect solution, a quick route to slumber's embrace. You drift off quickly, a sense of relief washing over you. But this sleep is a deceptive friend, a wolf in sheep's clothing. Unbeknownst to you, a silent battle is being waged within your brain. Alcohol, the intruder, disrupts the delicate symphony of sleep, leaving you more depleted than before. This is not the restorative sleep your body craves, but a shallow imitation, robbing you of its true rejuvenating power. Sleep is not merely the absence of wakefulness, it is an intricately orchestrated symphony of biological processes. It is during these precious hours that your body and mind undergo essential repair and rejuvenation. Muscles rebuild, memories consolidate, and hormones are regulated. This nightly restoration is divided into distinct stages, each playing a vital role in your overall well-being. From the initial descent into light sleep, to the profound depths of deep sleep, and the vivid landscapes of REM sleep, each stage contributes to the symphony of restoration. Disrupting this delicate balance has far-reaching consequences. Alcohol acts as a disruptor, a rogue element in the symphony of sleep. While it may initially induce drowsiness, it wreaks havoc on the natural sleep architecture. Deep sleep, crucial for physical restoration and repair, is significantly reduced. REM sleep, the stage where dreams flourish and memories are consolidated, is fragmented and suppressed. Instead of waking refreshed and alert, you feel groggy and disoriented. Your cognitive function is impaired, your mood is low, and your energy levels are depleted. This is the price of alcohol's interference, a debt that must be repaid with diminished well-being. The consequences of alcohol-disrupted sleep extend far beyond the immediate night. You wake to a brutal hangover, a symphony of headaches, nausea, and fatigue. Your body, starved of true restorative sleep, struggles to function optimally. Concentration becomes a challenge, productivity plummets, and you crave more alcohol to numb the discomfort. This creates a dangerous cycle of dependency where alcohol is sought to alleviate the very symptoms it creates. Sleep, once a sanctuary, becomes a battleground, a source of anxiety and frustration. The long-term consequences of this vicious cycle are far-reaching and potentially devastating. Breaking free from the clutches of alcohol-dependent sleep is possible. Prioritizing sleep hygiene, establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and seeking professional help if needed are crucial steps towards reclaiming your slumber. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, it is a non-negotiable biological necessity. By making conscious choices to prioritize sleep and break free from alcohol's grip, you can reclaim the sanctuary of natural, restorative sleep and unlock the full potential of your mind and body.